Let's create a simple crouch system in Unreal Engine 5. So firstly, if we navigate to our input actions, let's duplicate one of these and we'll call this IA_crouch. And we'll go ahead and just save that quickly. And then if we navigate to our IMC default, our input mapping context, and go ahead and open it up. Then here we're going to create a new mapping and we're going to list our input action we just created. Now I'm going to map this to two keys, like so. So the left control and the C key. And we'll go ahead and save that. And now if we navigate to our first person character, if we quickly go to the viewport, we're just going to want to ensure that the camera is attached to the capsule, as the capsule is going to reduce in height. So we just want to ensure that the camera follows this height. And then the other thing we're going to do is go to our character movement and just type in crouch in the details panel and just make sure that can crouch is enabled to true. Now here we can see two settings. We've got crouched half height, which is the height of your crouch. So you can tweak this if you'd like. And then we've got the max walk speed when crouched. Now I'm just going to leave these as the default for now, but you can tweak these if you'd like. So we're going to go over to the event graph and we're going to get our input action underscore crouch. And then on triggered, we're going to crouch. And then on completed, we're going to uncrouch. So what this will do is when you hold down crouch, you will crouch. And when you release the key, you will uncrouch. Now what you could do instead is you could add a flip-flop on started and put this into the crouch on A and the uncrouch on B. Now this would then be a toggle instead of a hold and release, but I'm going to leave this as is for now. So we'll go back over to our level, then we'll hit play. And now you can see when we hold down control, we can crouch. And when we release the key, we stand up again. And the same goes for our C key. And that is how you create a simple crouch system in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.